So, hello everybody. I'm Daniel Berti. I'm the husband of Alexandra Berti, who did the research, and she is a soprano and singing teacher. But my English is better because she's Czech, so she learned German and Russian. I'm Swiss, so I speak German, Italian, French, English, Spanish, some Czech, Arabic, whatever, you see. So therefore I'm here. I'm also did the graphics for her, and we will start with this first picture. Distance teaching or not distance teaching? That is the question. So what we did was to compare presence to distance teaching. And we did this by looking at singing lessons. We tried this with singing lessons. To give you an idea what was going on, we've got this little video, and you can hear and see what's happening. It's a soprano, that's my wife, teaching head voice, a very high voice, to a countertenor. Try to find out when my wife is singing or when the countertenor is singing.